Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to the channel named Learn Everything with me. Today's video is all about simplifying family meal time. We will explore quick and healthy meal ideas, involve the little ones with cooking, introduce theme meal nights for some extra fun. So, whether you are a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, let's embark on this delicious and insightful journey together. Segment number 1 is quick and healthy meal ideas for families. So, now we understand the challenges of preparing nutritious meals in the hustle and bustle of family life. Meal idea number 1 is sheet pan dinners. Sheet pan dinners are a game changer. Throw your favorite protein, veggies, and seasoning on a single pan, pop it in the oven, and voila! Meal idea number 2 is one pot wonders. One pot wonders are another lifesaver. From hearty stews to pasta dishes, these recipes minimize the cleanup while maximizing the flavor. Perfect for those busy weeknights. Meal idea number 3. Build your own tacos or bowls. Get the family involved by creating a build your taco or bowl night. Lay out a variety of ingredients and everyone can customize their meal. It's interactive and ensures everyone gets exactly what they like. Segment number 2 is cooking with kids in the kitchen. Now, let's shift our focus to a wonderful family activity, which is cooking with kids in the kitchen. Not only does it foster valuable life skills, but it also creates beautiful memories. Tip number 1 is age appropriate task. Assign the age appropriate task to your little chefs. Younger kids can help with washing vegetables or stirring, while older ones can assist with measuring ingredients or even chopping under supervision. Tip number 2 is create a special chef's hat or apron. Elevate the experience by creating a special chef's hat or apron. This is not only makes them feel like an integral part of the cooking process, but also adds a touch of excitement to the activity. Tip number 3 is turn learning into fun. Use cooking as a learning opportunity. Incorporate math skill by measuring the ingredients, discuss the food origins for a bit of geography, and encourage creativity in presentation. Learning disguised as fun. Segment number 3 is creating themed meal nights for kids. Now let's talk about making meal times entertaining. Means creating themed meal nights for kids. This adds an extra layer of excitement to ordinary dinners. Theme number 1 is movie night. Why not have a movie night with a corresponding themed dinner? Pick a family favorite and create a menu inspired by movie. It could be Toy Story with cowboy inspired dishes. Theme number 2 is color night. Shake things up with a colored theme night. Choose a color and base your entire meal around it. It's a creative way to introduce a variety of colorful and nutritious food. Theme number 3 is DIY pizza night. DIY pizza night is always a hit. Trust me, I have personally done that. Set out different toppings and let everyone craft their pizza masterpiece. It's interactive, fun, and ensures everyone gets a personalized meal. And there you have it, a guide to enhance family meal times. From quick and healthy meal ideas to creating memorable theme nights and nurturing emotional development. We hope from quick and healthy meal ideas to creating memorable theme nights and nurturing emotional development. We hope this tips brings joy and connection to your family table. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your own mealtime traditions in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy cooking, happy learning, and happy parenting. Thank you so much.